Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're looking at something straight out of the future, the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses. These aren't just about looking stylish. They're designed to blend cutting-edge AI features, display technology, and everyday practicality into one wearable you can take anywhere. Let's start with how they actually feel to use. The first thing you notice is how quickly the glasses respond to voice commands. You can ask them to translate a sign, pull up navigation, identify a landmark, or even read a notification out loud. The built-in AI assistant is surprisingly accurate at understanding natural speech, and the response time feels instant. In everyday scenarios, they start to replace habits you'd normally reach for your phone for. Walking through a city, you can get turn-by-turn directions in your peripheral vision. At a cafe in a different country, real-time translation text floats on the display as someone speaks. Out on a bike ride, you can see your speed, route, and incoming messages without taking your hands off the handlebars. The design is minimalist, slim black frames, no flashy logos, and a lightweight build that feels comfortable even after hours of wear. Xiaomi has managed to pack in all the electronics without making them bulky or awkward. The hinges are smooth, the materials feel premium, and the balance is well tuned so they don't slide forward on your nose. The micro-OLED display inside each lens is sharp and bright. Even in daylight, text and images remain clear. Xiaomi has done a good job at positioning the visuals so they appear natural and don't block your normal view, at night or indoors. The image quality is even better, crisp and detailed without eye strain. Performance is handled by a compact but capable chipset inside the glasses, paired with efficient AI processing. Switching between features is smooth, and apps load instantly. There's also a small touch-sensitive area on the side of the frame for swipes and taps, which works well when you don't want to use voice control. Battery life is solid for the size. You'll get a full day of light to moderate use, and the charging case makes it easy to top up when you're not wearing them. They charge quickly, so a short break can give you several more hours of power. Audio is another highlight. The open-ear speakers deliver surprisingly clear sound for calls, voice prompts, and music without completely isolating you from the world around you. It means you can hear traffic, conversations, and environmental sounds while still enjoying media. Connectivity is handled via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing fast syncing with your phone and smooth access to cloud-based AI services. Pairing is instant, and the companion app offers plenty of customization for display layout, gestures, and AI preferences. In terms of value, these sit in the premium smart wearable category, but they're not as expensive as some competitors from bigger names. Considering the display quality, AI features, and comfort, they deliver strong value for anyone curious about smart glasses that actually feel practical. Pros: sleek design, bright and sharp display, fast AI assistant, great audio, and comfortable all-day wear. Cons: limited app ecosystem for now, battery life still shorter than all-day traditional wearables, and not everyone will find a constant display necessary. Final verdict: the Xiaomi Smart AI glasses are one of the most polished takes on wearable AR tech we've seen yet. They're discreet, functional, and genuinely useful in real life, not just in a demo. If you've been waiting for smart glasses that actually deliver on the promise of blending digital info with your world, Xiaomi might have just made the best starting point. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest deep dives into the tech shaping our future.